Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be learning how to blend two colors, which is crimson and white, in this very interesting way using acrylic colors. So I've got these student range of colors by Vincent and Newton, and I'm going to apply this on top of acrylic paper. That is, any paper which is a little above 400 GSM is very good for doing your acrylics. You can also do the same thing on canvas if you want. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to apply a little bit of the crimson color on the top left side and the bottom right hand side, because I'm going to move my brush along in a different way. If you've seen the earlier videos in acrylic blending, you would have seen me doing more of a left to right blend. And today we're going to do a little different one, because I want the effect to be slightly different from what we have done earlier. So I'm taking a flat brush, I'm wetting it, making sure that it's just wet enough and not too doesn't hold a lot of water. And then I'm going to go and take my brush and at an angle, so it's still going left to right, but then it's more like from diagonal, so left bottom and right top. So that's how my brush strokes are going. If you require a little bit of water, if your paint is a little too thick, then you can use it, but just use a little bit, not too much. So I'm going in the same strokes, I'm not changing the stroke, it is going diagonal, and you can see that it's blending from a crimson to a mid-tone, and then I'm going to go back to the crimson at the bottom, and it becomes a darker blend at the bottom, and I'm going to take it towards the end. So the movement of your brush is very important when it comes to acrylics. The way your brush strokes go is how your blend will also be. So I hope today's tutorial is helpful for you to understand different brush strokes that you can use to create different kinds of blending effects in acrylics. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to hit the like button under this video, and leave your comments over here if you like this video, and also to tell me what other future things you would like to see. Thank you for joining me today. See you soon for the next one. Bye bye.